To fix a Cash App transfer failed issue, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for successful transactions. Ensure your device is connected to a reliable network and try restarting your router if necessary. Next, verify your Cash App account balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for the transfer. If your balance is low, add money to your account using a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Check the recipient's information, including their name, email address, and phone number, to ensure it is correct. A single mistake can cause the transfer to fail, so double-check the details. Review your transaction history to see if there are any pending transactions that may be causing the issue. If you find any pending transactions, wait for them to clear before attempting to send the payment again. If you are still experiencing issues, try restarting the Cash App or uninstalling and reinstalling it on your device. This can resolve any technical glitches that may be causing the problem. Additionally, check the Cash App status page to see if there are any server issues or maintenance scheduled, which may be affecting your ability to send payments. You can also try contacting Cash App support for assistance with your transfer failed issue. It is also important to note that Cash App has certain limits on transactions, including daily and weekly limits. If you are trying to send a large amount of money, you may need to verify your account to increase your limits. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cash App transfer failed issue and successfully send payments. Remember to always keep your account and device information up to date and secure to avoid any future issues.